Yeah, so today is 12th of June, Monday. The market opens in some time. We have to make the plan today. So we look at the Bank Nifty daily chart at first. Okay, let me open it up. Yeah, this is the correct time frame. This is the 1 day frame of the Bank Nifty chart over at the Zerodha platform. If we see, we can see a trend here, like 1 second. Yeah, this this is pretty much the line which we can see that the buyers have taken it up, and then there is some profit booking coming, showing some heavy selling, and then it goes up like that. So if we here, yeah, it goes up, then the selling comes, profit book due to profit booking, then we touch a new high, and then again some profit booking, then again, yeah, here it is, the new high, and then again some profit booking. But this time also the pattern is like that, like we are going upwards. But as you know, as you can see here, if we draw in a line, 1 second, yeah, this is the previous high close, which is at 44,435. But yet here the top that we touched is around 44,320, which is less than the previous high. So we didn't break the previous high, but yet we are going into this selling area. Okay, so this 44,989 we closed yesterday. So what we see next, we can discuss with the help of the daily chart, or what we try to see, or how we analyze the further prospect, or identify the ranges. But anyway, we'll move on to the 15-minute chart for the better clarity. Okay, so this is the 15-minute chart of Bank Nifty. Yeah, this is where ninth market opened, and then as you can see that we, Thursday was expiry, and we saw some heavy selling here. Let me get the drawing tools. Yeah, we saw some heavy selling right here. From here to here it was a sharp drop, and then it again went back. But however, the support and resistance levels are very important to identify at this stage. So for example, if we zoom in, yeah, you can see, 1 second, yeah, there is one strong resistance here around at 44,170, 169, right here, which goes up to per se 44,200. Okay, so this is one resistance, and but then so we broke that low, right? Suppose here, as you can see, we broke the, as you can see, we broke this particular low. So the downtrend continued here. Some heavy balancing between buying and selling went on. Then again there is another here, new another low, and finally the lowest that mark that is there is this one. So these are very important values. The last value was around 44,990, so 985 was the lowest. The Bank Nifty closed around at 43,990. But as you can see here, 986 is an important level, or 985 is an important level. Now, that is, these are pretty much the low end ranges. The only positive thing to look at is that we didn't break this, the lowest low, which was on the previous day, like 8th of June. So 9th of June we didn't break the previous day low. We are somewhere around here trading. So there are few possibilities which can occur, like for example, if the Bank Nifty, let me get these out, if Bank Nifty opens around somewhere between this range, like say per se 44,050 and 43,900. Okay, so 43,960, like that. If somewhere around this range it opens, so we will need to wait for confirmation. Like suppose the market would need to consolidate, like suppose if it opens around at the same place at this range, then it needs to consolidate, and then it needs to either go up or go down, depending on whatever indicators we have, and whatever happens when the market opens. We don't have control on that. We will react to that accordingly. And there is some strong resistance around at 44,200, and there is support last here as per the daily charts we are close to the support range. So let's see what happens as the day opens. I will also ping when the zero da first tick arrives at 9:07, but for now I have noted down some of the highs and lows. As you can see here, yeah, this is the range 44,200 to 44,170, sorry, 44,170 to 44,200 on the top end, and on the bottom end it is 43,985 to 43,966, which is at the bottom end. So we'll see how it happens. However, the global indicators show that mostly like Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq, Nikkei, they all went up high. Hang Seng is low, but it is recovering. It showed some recovering trend. These are the leading local indicators. Like Nifty 50 was lower, Fin Nifty was lower, ICICI Bank lower, Axis Bank maxed out. It has reached all the 52 weeks high in the last day. Okay, so these are very important ranges which I marked around 44,100 to 44,000 and 44,050 to 43,980. So this is the, if in this range it opens, we can expect some selling happening, but first we need confirmation and consolidation of the chart. Okay, so there we will wait for the 15-minute candles to close and act accordingly. And if it opens around at 44,000 to 44,100, we will again wait if it crosses 44,100 by significant level, because there is a resistance here and there is a resistance here as well next. So it needs to close everything or surpass everything in proper way, consolidate and go up or go down. We will act or react accordingly. So these are the notes that I have few undertaken, that important support and resistance levels and all. Anyways, hope to have a good week everyone. Okay, so we'll see what comes up next.